Hello, everybody. So today I'll walk you through how to add categories to your service booking page. So to do so, all we need to do is go to the profile of our service booking page, and we'll choose the skincare service page here. And what do I mean by saying adding categories? So basically, when you have products or items added to your page, um, you can see that they're listed here, right? So here there's no categories added, so your items are just listed as so here, right? But what if you would like to organize your items by category on the page, right? Maybe you have some I don't know, massages and maybe other different types of services that you would like to separate by categories. So you can do so by going above here in the category section. And so basically, to add categories, there's only two steps, right? So one of the steps I didn't mention is basically, activating the categories. So you do so here, and then there's two steps that you need to do. First, you need to add categories to your page, and then second, you need to add items to those each categories, right? So let's go with the first step by adding categories. So you do so by clicking on the manage categories button here, and you see this panel pops up here, right? So as you can see here, you can add as much categories as you would like to. So yeah, that's what we'll do, and we'll start by adding, let's say, the massages category. And as you can see, you control the English and the French version. So it's totally you're in control basically on the translations. So the second category I'll add here, let's say skincare. Yeah, let's do some French translation here. All right. And third service, I really don't, not sure. Let's say hair care, right? So it really doesn't matter. It's really just an example here. So let's say hair, right? Okay, so it's as simple as that, right? And if you would like to remove it, just click on the trash button here. If you would like to add some more, you can add as much as you would like. If you would like to come back, you'll be able to do so, right? So let's save it for now, okay? And as you can see, for now, the categories are added, right? But the categories are added here, okay? But we don't have any items added attached to those categories, so it wouldn't show just yet, right? So that's our second step. So let's add some categories for each category. Let's add some items for each category. Sorry. So yeah, for the massage category, so it really doesn't matter. Like since it's just an example, I'll just add any items here, even if they don't really make sense with the category. So let's say I'll add those two items here for this category, and then for this category here, I'll add these here. And then for the last category, let's say I'll add all those three here. Right. And when you go back, you can always see which items you've associated to your category, right? You'll be able to do so anytime. And the same thing for your categories here. You'll be able to add or remove any categories, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And so yeah, all you need to do is add categories, attach items to your categories, and enable the categories here. Yeah, so if this is turned off, the categories won't show, but if it's turned on, you'll be able to see them as so here. So maybe if we check out what it would look like for the customer. So if we refresh here, you can see here that our items now are organized by categories. So we have massages, skincare, hair care, and it's really organized in the way that you've added them. The categories are organized in the way that you've added the order that you added them on your page. So if you would like to manage the order, then just change the text and just remove some categories and add them back, change the text, play around with it, and you'll be able to control the order in that way. So yeah, looks pretty good. let's say if I would like to deactivate it for any reason, right? I do so like this, and then I refresh, and boom, you see categories have disappeared. But if I would like to add them back, turn it back on, refresh, boom, the categories are back, right? So here you go. Here's how to add categories to your service booking page. Thank you.